Cheers to queers. Cheers it out. Cheers to queers. Mac to the faggots. Bring on the whiskey. Bring on the beer. Oh my God, I think we're queer.
Yeah,
bitch. Well, hold on. You can't see me.
Hello, everyone. I want to introduce you to the world of Michael Harris. Get your face to that screen, please, sir.
Heresy.
What's your favorite color?
Green and yellow and sometimes blue. Heresy. Blue. Blue is my favorite color at the moment. Sometimes purple. I like a lot of different colors. So I don't have just one favorite color.
Who do you want to be president?
Who do I want to be president?
Question, right?
Oh, well, that's just everyone's questions. I don't vote, so I'm not going to answer that question.
Why don't you vote?
Because I thought I registered, but obviously, I don't know if I'm registered or not, but I just need to find out. I don't know why I don't vote, because it's just...
You don't want people to see your paper
probably,
trail?
Yeah.
Paper trail.
Probably, I don't know. Maybe I'll vote some... I don't know.
Pager.
I'm not going to live in this country for so long. I know what... America, move out of America.
We should just go back to the days of pagers.
Pagers, yes. Pagers and beepers and payphones. Yes. Let's go back to... pagers. The day of beepers. Remember the beepers? Put a star by... Toot, toot, toot. Pager girl. Got my pager. He paid for my pager.
I got five on it.
Everyone wants to sing that. That was a song of 1992, 3, 4. What song? Yeah. I don't know. I was little.
What do you want to convey in this? That you're black?
I don't know what I want to convey in this right now, because in this position... Stop pushing me forward, girl. You're not helping with your hand at all. That hurts. Anyway. So yeah, what I want to convey is that we live in a world where everything is revamped and remodeled and remade, and I got fingernails. And my eyes are even red on this camera too. Because in California, what are you doing, girl? Just stop my video until I'm ready. I love you, girl. Anyway, I'm done now.
Well, you should conclude it cute.
I'm concluding.
Or just do it.
See my mouth moving away. My mouth is fading.
Hey, Freddy Krueger.
My mouth is going. Look at my teeth.
That should be the new Freddy Krueger.
Look at my teeth. Look. Oh.
I used to... I used to love the California raisins.
Ooh, she wants to be... Are you trying to call me a raisin in the sun?
No.
Because I got bright eyes and big teeth, master?
I called you California raisin.
Is that what I look like?
Heard it through the grapevine.
Is that who I look like, girl? A California raisin girl? I'm black and shriveled up, girl.
Yeah, you look like the Sally Jesse Raphael of all those.